chances that I may take could lead to a big break. I put what means the most in life and sing about it every day. I want it for you, I want it for me. I take my chances and let you be.
Okay, so next up is this 2005 Chevy Corvette. This one's got the LS2 under the hood. Beautiful orange paint job. 6-speed transmission. Nice chrome set of wheels. Pretty good overall. We'll be taking it down the road and picking out flaws, chips, scratches, rust, dents. If there's anything wrong, you'll know about it. Please hit subscribe, share this video. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, we're gonna take this one around the block. I don't think this one's gonna be too difficult of a test drive. More of a modern car here. Let's see if we can get around the cone. Boom, yeah, we got it. Right at 101,000 miles. This isn't too bad. Now the radio does not work. There's an extra radio in the back that was given to us. Another radio was on, but you couldn't cut it up or down, and the screen was not on. What we did was pulled the fuse because you could not cut the volume down. It was just blasting the whole time. But I hear there's a module from one of my buddies that works at the dealer. He said there's a module under the dash that you could change out and the screen will cut on. Well, I guess the previous guy gave us an extra screen thinking the screen was bad, so here we go. Or maybe he swapped him and couldn't figure that out. Shift's good, all good on our gauges there. Give her some throttle here. Plenty fast. Heads up display's nice and clear. Okay. I'm just trying to test the car out, and there's a guy behind me that's wanting to race, I could tell. It's a Dodge. He come flying up when I got on it. No, sir. We don't need to put him to shame in a Corvette. Hitting the brakes. They're smooth. Plenty of power. I knew this was going to be an easy test drive. What we'll do mainly is just walk around this ride, look for chips, scratches, rust, and dents. I'll get a couple outside shots, drop by the camera. But being a new model like this, it's going to be pretty easy. All right. I say new model, but what, 06? Getting pretty close to being a classic too. It's kind of crazy, ain't it? All right, I'll be right back. This car's quite fun. Got a lot of power, a little bit of room. my goodness. The sun's just bright as all get out right now. Holy moly. All right, let's roll. Woo. Turn our lights off there. And the old wipers. Gonna try the wipers. Got some heat. This thing's got some good heat. Here we go, guys. And getting the throttle. You can see it's kind of spinning the tires and stuff. That's what they do. Especially when you get in a throttle like that. Run through all the gears real quick. There's our 5th. Here's the 6th gear. That's our gas saving gear right there. Just nice and quiet in here. Horn works. Bumping the road. Suspension's good. Well, guys, I'm getting ready to pull back into Maple Motors. This was a quick and easy test drive. I knew it would be on something like this. But picking out the flaws is at the end. There's a lot of paint protection on this car too. So that's a good thing. All right. Here we go. We've made it back to the lot. Check us out, maplemotors.com, to see all the new inventory that we list. This is our gate blocker, so I'm gonna go ahead and back her up. Get ready to block that gate since it's the end of the day. Show you reverse anyways. It works. Thanks, guys. Let's walk this ride. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Coming up around the front end, I noticed right off the bat the headlights need to be replaced. You see how foggy they are. You might be able to get somebody to buff those out as long as it's all on the outside, but it kind of looks like some little cracks. Coming around on the front, you can see the paint protection is on this car all over the front, so that's great. You've got some chips and stuff right here on your lights. Light little specks on the front just from driving, paint protection. It's everywhere. Crack right here. I don't know what that is. Looks like it'll come off though. I guess it scuffs on the paint protection. Yeah. You see it ends here. and then starts here at the bottom. The good thing is this car's already got the paint protection on it, so any kind of imperfections on that should, for the most part, be fine. Little scuff here. Really simple walk around, I can tell you that. Little marks here on the side. See some on the door. Little marks here on the door. Windshield's already dusty, even though I washed it before we left. That's the only spot I see that's a little scuffed up, and I think it's just on that paint protection film. We've got some chips in the windshield there. Right here too. Up top around that number. Chip here on the top. Down in the trunk. Went on down with the trunk lid. Oh, come down quick. Check out the interior. Oh, spot there, it needs to be stitched up on the seat. Looks like it's right on the seam, so fixable. Down here, a little wear, also fixable. I know a couple of my buddies I went to school with that do that. I actually got to get them to work on one of my personal cars for me. Ooh, little plastic pieces broke there. Look at that. Anything you've seen in this video that you want me to go over more, that's fine. You have to shift to reverse for everything to cut off. I forgot about that on this one. So if you want the dash to cut off, everything off, have to shift to reverse. Don't forget that, it'll kill your battery. Starting it up, you just push the button. V6. Motor's quiet. Coming on down. Very light car, lots of paint protection. A little scuff there, looks like it got past it. But for the majority, other than getting some headlights, this thing looks good. 100 detailed pictures, financing and shipping available at maplemotors.com. Please hit subscribe, share this video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you later.